Do you ever forget to put on your X39 patch in the morning or realize at bedtime that you've been wearing it for way too long? Well, if so, you're not alone. And today I'm going to share some simple tips to help you remember to put it on and take it off every single day. Hi, I'm Gretchen Yui, and on this channel, I share practical ways to get the most out of your LifeWave patches so you can stay consistent and get the best results. So please like, subscribe, share this video with friends who are also seeking all natural wellness tools. Okay, let's dive into this. So tip number one is create a routine. I like attaching the patches to something that people are already doing every day. So like brushing your teeth in the morning and brushing your teeth at night. You can just put the patches right next to your toothbrush so it becomes second nature. Tip number two, you could think about using timers or reminders. So you could set an alarm on your phone, put one on in the morning, and then one to take it off 12 hours later. And this is one of really the most effective ways to stay on track, especially at the beginning. Tip number three, I love visual cues. So keeping the patches in a spot that you can't miss. So say, for example, on your nightstand or on the bathroom mirror or near the coffee maker. A little visual nudge can really make a big difference. Okay, tip number four, you may want to pair putting them on and taking them off with a habit that you already have. So some people like to put it on with their vitamins in the morning, and others take it off when they change into their pajamas at night. So you need to pick a habit you already have and then link that to your patch routine. All right, tip number five, accountability buddies. So if you're in LifeWave with a friend or a partner, text each other when you put on your patches in the morning and when you take them off at night. It makes it fun and you will be much less likely to forget to do this. Tip number six, my final tip is keep extra handy. So if you're traveling or on the go, keep a few extra patches in your purse or your bag or your wallet or your car. And that way you are never caught without them. And if you do happen to forget, you've got them there and you can go ahead and get one on. So in closing, remember, consistency is key with X39. The more regularly you wear it, the more your body benefits over time. And with these simple reminders, you'll make patching part of your lifestyle, not just a task. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what's your best trick for remembering your patches. I would really love to know if there's other, creative and useful thoughts and tips from my viewers. So please put those in the comments if you have them. And until next time, stay well and thank you so much for watching.